Hi, this is a quick demonstration about how you can use Microsoft's Power Automate to automate repetitive desktop computer tasks. And this program is already installed probably on your Windows 10 or 11 machine. In this program, we're going to log into a website that has financial information, and then we're going to grab data that we're going to look up using a lookup Excel sheet, and we're going to enter that information. Once we navigate to the correct page, the program is going to loop through a series of stock tickers, enter that information. As you can see, we're opening up our input and output files. And then once we enter that information, it's going to grab it off of those circles in the left side of the page. And it's going to store it into a spreadsheet. And then it's going to enter the next stock, and it's going to do this about 80 sometimes. Obviously saves us a lot of time and effort. This is the input table that it's looking up, and it's looping through this list of about 80 different stock tickers. And then this is the Excel spreadsheet that it created. It grabbed that information from each and every page. You can see one stock wasn't found, so we had to build in some error handling. Here's a sample program that you can build. Again, this program is already on your Windows computer probably. So let's build a sample program. First, we're going to load a new Chrome window, and you can see here we have the choice to select our initial URL. So we'll put that as in our first step. Next step is we're going to go ahead and navigate to a target URL of interest. This is our financial website that's got the data that we need. And then we want to log into that page. So we need to tell it how to log in, how to click on the login button. So we'll bring up that target page. We'll go back to Power Automate. Say we're going to click on a link, and we're going to tell it the UI element that it needs to interact with. You can see as we hover over, the system is recognizing various elements on the page that it can interact with. In this case, we want to use that login button in the upper right. So we select it, and then we put it in our program. Now we're ready to test our program. So just simply push play and watch it go. This is obviously a very simple example. You can see from the system that there are many different functions. This is just scratching the surface. Why would you want to do something like this? Certainly efficiency. We want to be able to lower costs. We want to be able to make change without new software. Overall, it's very quick and cheap to implement. Hopefully this has been a helpful video to help you understand a simple example of how you can use Microsoft Power Automate to automate a process on your desktop computer.